Hello, my name is Suchitra Khandale, and today's date is 5 August 2021, and today's video topic is an access modifier in a Java or access specifier in a Java. There are two types of modifier in Java, that is access modifier and non-access modifiers. Uh, so the access of modifier in a Java is specifies the ability or scope of the method, constructor or a class. We can change the scope of access level of fields, methods, class, and constructor by using or applying the modifier on it. There are four types of access modifier in a Java. Is that first is private access modifier, second is default access specifier, third is protected access specifier, and fifth is public access specifier. Now we see one by one. In that first private access specifier, the access level of the private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from the outside the class. In that, suppose we create an method as an private, so we can access it only within the class. We cannot access the private methods outside the classes. The second access modifier is default access modifier. In Java, we if we cannot specify the any access specifier or any access modifier, then the Java takes the default access specifier, and the access level of the default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If we do not specify the any access specifier, then it will be by default. Suppose we can create any class is default without an access specifier, so it is an default, and if you want to access it in outside the package, so we cannot access it outside the package. Now we see the third type of access modifier is that protected. The access level of the protected modifier is only within the package and outside the package through the child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed it from outside the package. uh, it means we can access the protected classes uh, only within the package, and we can also access it outside the package, but there is a need to child class. Now we see the fourth access specifier is an public access specifier. In that the access level of the public access specifier is within the class, outside the class, within the package, or outside the package. It means the public access specifier, we can access it anywhere in the package or outside the package. Suppose we create an one class as an public, so we can access it within the same class, or within the same package, and we can access it also outside the package. There are and now there are the many types of non-access specifiers or modifiers, such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, etc. uh, Now I think I'm done with this access modifier and access specifier topic. So thank you.